Right. I'm looking at the people watching.
Oh. Oh, hello.
Right. So,
Am I-
look in the same direction as
Am I
me.
good?
Look, no, down a bit. Look down. Oh no, you had it. Ah, that's fine. I'm up. Perfect. Now stay
Yeah.
still.
Okay. Oh. I saw a
So-
cover over the trees.
Hello, YouTube.
Hello.
Right, this is going to be our YouTube channel
Wait for
where we're going to play Minecraft and other games. Maybe we're going to be noobs and we're going to suck, but don't hate us. Just watch
Don't hate.
and don't hate.
Don't hate.
Appreciate.
Appreciate.
Don't hate. So, are we just going to get right in and get started, or... Actually, no. Right. Okay, look at me. Right. Let's talk about ourselves so the viewers know who we are.
Yeah.
My name is Calum. What's your name?
My name is Calum.
We're both called Calum.
Yay.
So,
This is gonna be interesting.
this is going to be an... oh, wait. We could call ourselves different things.
Can I be
I'm-
Bartholomew?
I'm going to call you Sumph.
No, bro. Come on. You can do better than that.
Bees?
Basil, though.
Bees.
Bezels.
Oi. Beezels. Bezels. I'm going to call you Bezels.
Bezels, no.
Oh,
B. Just B.
just B.
And you are, let's read your Rockfoundation.
Yeah.
Can I call you Founder?
You can call me the founder.
The Rock.
No, I want to be the founder. The founder sounds really cool. Yeah, sure, you can call me Rock. Okay, so... Ooh, ice.
Ice.
Oh! There's a scary noise. Right. What do you do first in Minecraft? Or what do you always do?
Well,
you cut
that's
down
easy.
trees with your bare
No, those trees,
hands.
Calum. They're terrible trees.
But these are nice
They're evil
trees. Oh, you want to go over here?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
So
It's
nice
a new...
trees.
It's a whole new world.
That
do-
was
do- ooh, a bunny.
such
A bunny.
Bad. Oh, Calum.
And maybe a killer bunny, though.
Calum.
Yes.
Calum.
What? Oh, you're giving me a flower. A poppy! Ow. Oh, a cave. Oh, there's a zombie. Oh my gosh, run. Okay. Right.
Let's get some
Trees. Okay, trees. Let's get some wood. Oh,
Yeah.
will we tell the lovely viewers at home about our other guest who's going to be making videos with us eventually?
The mystery guest.
He's not going to be a mystery guest. He's going to be like a main person with us. But
We'll give you a
he's not
preview.
here right now because he has a problem.
What? He doesn't have anything to play on.
He doesn't actually have a computer. But don't worry, he knows how to play the game.
Well, that's questionable.
That's a bit of a stretch. But
He knows about the game.
he knows about the game and he has it on his phone, if
Oh,
that
there we
counts. He's one of those people, but
One of them.
he's one of them peasants. But right, we're gonna teach him, even though we're kind of noobs
No,
ourselves.
we are pros. Calum.
Oh no! Oh yeah, we're
We
pros.
are the pros.
We're pros. We're
That's
pros. We're pros.
He doesn't even know.
He doesn't even know that we're pro.
Don't know how pro.
It's gonna be fine. This is gonna be great fun.
This is great footage.
It's gonna be a slow start. This is great footage. This is quality stuff.
I love the detail on the inside of the trees.
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
beautiful.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Oh, you're still holding my rose.
It's a poppy.
Oh, okay. I found food, Calum.
Food?
Oh,
How have you got food? Oh, we got an apple.
apple.
An apple.
And
Oh.
collect saplings as you go.
You could probably sell it on eBay for like
Apple, yeah.
£1,000.
Any product pretty much goes for, I think, $1 million.
$1 million.
Yeah. I think.
Are
Are we sponsored by Apple?
No.
think we should
I
be.
wish we were, but we're not.
Right, where are we gonna build our house?
We're gonna get hated on now for saying the word apple.
I know.
But you know, there's
sorry.
no one's gonna watch this anyway. So.
Hair products.
No, I'm kidding. Everyone's gonna watch this. We're gonna be the most famous people on YouTube.
Right, okay. I'm thinking we should start our house.
Whoa! That's a bit fast. Right,
Well, I work fast, Calum.
hold your horses.
me.
Hold your
I
horses.
don't have any horses yet. That's my next stage in Minecraft.
First objective is food. Duh.
I have food.
Oh!
I told
Let's
you
tell
about
the
that.
viewers about ourselves. Or have we
Oh.
done that already?
I don't think so. No, we
Okay.
told them our names.
Right, we told them our names, but we didn't actually tell you who we are.
Do you want to go into F5 mode and start off?
Nah.
No. Okay.
You start. You start. I'm looking at you.
Well, my name is Beesumph, and as you can probably tell, a major part of that name is the word bee.
Yeah.
Which is actually quite ironic, as you will come to know. My mother was a businessman.
A businessman.
A businessman.
Wait. Your mother
My mother
was a
businessman.
businessman. Oh, apple!
I was going to give you mine that I was holding in my hand. I thought you were going to say it.
So, your mother is a businessman.
Okay, she was. She died.
Wait, what? She died?
No.
Was it because she was a businessman?
Yeah.
And she was a woman?
The business just got too much.
Oh. Wait, is it getting dark?
Yeah, it is.
Oh.
It is.
Oh, we'll talk about this in the sunset.
Okay.
Like, you stand behind the sunset, right?
Behind the sunset.
Yeah. No, in front of the sunset. Right, go!
Okay. My mother was a businessman.
Was a businessman.
Who worked in Oscorp, actually.
Oscorp?
From Spider-Man's.
Are we allowed to say that?
I don't know, are we?
I don't know.
Who cares? Okay, well, anyway, she worked for that, and actually at quite a young age, she was, like, tested on. Okay?
Oh,
She.
that's unfortunate. Wait, what was she tested on for?
I think it was actually, like, a cure to every disease possible.
Oh.
You see, bees are immune to absolute achievements. Bees are immune to absolutely everything, so, you know, she got stung by a radioactive bee, and then she had me with my businesswoman dad.
Huh. Wait, your dad was a businesswoman?
Yeah, he was very successful.
Huh.
Actually, he was the #1 businesswoman.
The #1 business? Did she get a businesswoman of the year award?
He. My dad is a he. Come on. I mean,
I'm sorry, I'm just confused. Well, we kind of like.
And so I was born with the immune system of a bee.
There's monsters.
It's cool. We'll fight them off with awesomeness.
I think we should build a hole. Calum, I'm building a hole.
You're building a hole?
Yes, I'm actually building
Pro.
the hole.
Are you actually building a hole?
Yep, I'm building it with my fists.
Oh, you must have quite tough fists to be able to.
Yep, I do.
Just punch trees and dirt and.
Don't worry, I have a very good durability.
Like a meters and meters deep.
Yeah, my durability is very impressive.
Oh.
It's
Okay.
They all come running to me.
For the durables.
Yeah, my durability is just so impressive that they just can't get enough of me. You know.
Oh, who's this? Who's they?
Oh,
The men in your life?
no. You're not supposed to tell people about that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I mean the women.
The women.
They just can't get enough of me.
The ladies.
Yeah. Well, this is awkward.
His lady can't get enough of him.
I would like to confirm that I am a normal man.
Well, that's debatable.
It's not debatable.
Oh, it is.
I'm in a committed relationship.
Okay.
Okay, I think that's enough. That's enough space. Do you have a crafting table?
I do. There is. Ta-da.
There we go. Furnace. Bam. Right. Let's get some light.
Oh, that's not how you make a pickaxe. Try to use logs.
This is a very nice hole we have here.
It is.
Are you impressed with my
Your
hole
hole digging
skills? My digging skills.
Yeah, I think they're good.
Thank you.
So what's the plan? Are we gonna mine from here?
We're gonna make the hole a little bit bigger. It needs to be something we can call home. I want this to be like Bilbo Baggins' approval kind of thing.
I don't think anything will be. Well, actually, you know, in real life, I am actually a hobbit.
What? Wait, what?
I am a hobbit. It's been confirmed. I had DNA tests.
Hobbit confirmed. Illuminati.
No, we have nothing to do with the Illuminati.
Oh, yeah, that's right. That's right.
Oh, I'll take some of this.
Yeah.
Oh, I might build the house out of this.
Put that here.
Very nice.
So yeah, we're the Illuminati.
My backstory is just getting a bit out of hand. I was
Yeah,
a child of a businessman and woman. who were injected with bee serum or something. I don't know.
Wait, what did you just say? You were injected with someone's
serum.
Serum.
Bee serum.
Bee serum.
The serum from bees.
Is that like honey?
Yes. They injected honey into my blood.
Do you have blood of honey? Like you don't have blood. You just have honey.
No, I do have blood. It's just it smells of honey.
Is it really sweet?
Yeah. It makes it worse because when I bleed out, people who normally be sick, they're even more sick because it's just so horribly sweet.
So
smells
sweet.
Funny.
It's just so good and sweet.
This backstory.
You love it.
I do.
It's
So tell us more about your backstory. I don't think you told us yours.
I haven't because it's.
Is it top secret?
It's top secret.
You can tell me. It's just me here, obviously.
Obviously. Okay, sure. I'll just get some tools and then I'll tell you my backstory.
Are you a big enough tool? No.
Whoa!
Oh.
Whoa!
Oh, I'm sorry. That was bad.
Whoa! Hey,
Right,
look at me!
sorry, bro.
Look at me! Look at me!
I'm just getting some wood.
Look at me!
I'm looking.
You see this?
Yeah. What the swag you don't have? What?
Okay. That's right, you go hide in the corner.
Okay. Oh, the banter.
The banter is flowing. The crack is flowing. Did you know that
Crack.
in Ireland, in Belfast, if you say crack, that means banter?
Oh, right, okay.
Apparently. Crack is another word for banter. I was talking to an Irish person.
Oh.
And he told me that crack means banter.
I thought they were just mythical.
In Ireland. You're not allowed to say that. That's racist.
It's not racist.
I know.
Hobbits are real though, but I mean, come on, Irish people? Are you serious?
Yeah.
An Irishman?
I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of standing still, just waiting for you to come back so I can tell you my backstory.
Oh, right. Okay, sorry. I'll be there just 1 hour.
1 hour? We only have 2 more minutes.
2 more minutes, right? Okay,
no, I have no idea how long.
This is the backstory section.
We have for life. Okay, backstory.
Why don't you go into F5 mode and tell us?
Okay, there was like a evil mouse that just appeared in our house. Well, my house.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, right. Oh, do I have like knives? I've never even noticed these. I've had this skin for like 2 years. But anyway.
Backing out of the room.
Well, you can see the surface.
Tell me your story, Tom.
I can see the surface when I go into F5.
Can you?
Yeah. Okay.
That's interesting.
Right, stand here. Right, stand where. No, I'm inside your head.
Right.
It's a place I don't want to be. Okay. Okay. We will come onto my backstory next time. I think.
Am I looking in the right direction?
No.
Next time.
That's the right direction, totally. Okay. I think we'll finish it up there. I'm sure this has been an extremely entertaining and eventful first episode for you all to watch.
Because it will continue to get better.
We're going to continue. It's going to get amazing because we will have our guest. Well, not our guest, but our friend.
He's just a permanent guest.
Will we tell them their name before we leave? His name.
Have we introduced our channel name?
Shuffler Productions. We said that at the beginning. I think we did.
That's good. Just to make sure.
They also know that because when they clicked on this video, it said Shuffler Productions.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Our guest, well, not our guest, our other co-host is called Truffles.
Yes, which I think is linked to the Shuffle Productions.
Exactly.
Because as you know, the Shuffle Truffle is a well-known exercise of ours that we do daily.
Is it? Wait, what?
I do shuffles all day.
Am I supposed to do that?
Yeah, it's part of the contract.
Oh, okay, sure. Yeah, the contract. The contract. Shh, we can't talk about the contract. But anyway.
Well, you signed it. I mean.
Wait, shh. They can't know about the contract.
What?
Shut up. Okay. Right. And we will end it there. Goodbye, everyone. I hope that you tune in next time.